All right, let's take a look at a few of the wigs I wore in March. Well, believe it or not, we're almost at the end of March, and if you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. I do a little series, the wigs I wore in the previous month. So once a month, I post a video of some, not all, some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. This is not a wig review. This is just fast, fun. I go through these really quickly and just give you an idea of some of my favorite styles that I wore in the previous month. If you see any of these styles that you want to know more about, and all the styles today are from Wig Studio One, all you have to do is put the name of that wig in the search bar of my channel. The full review will come up, and that will have all the information, a regular wig review, which will be indoor and outdoor lighting, cap discussion, everything about permatease, color, everything you need to know is in that full video, because this is not that. This is just a fun, quick overview. I hope you enjoy some of these wigs. I had a lot of fun this month. We had some new styles that I wore, some old styles that I love and wore. So let's get started and have a look at some of the wigs I wore in March. All right, we're going to start out with a wig from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. This is my Eileen wig, and it is the 14-inch, and the color is Brûlée Doré. If you are not familiar with Push Hair, it is the in-house brand of Wig Studio One. This wig was named for me. It's just an honor. You know, every time I put it on, I just have to smile because, you know, even at my age, 64 years old, dreams still do come true, y'all. I never thought in my whole life I would have a YouTube channel. I would be reviewing these beautiful, incredible wigs, and never would I have dreamed I would have had a wig named for me. So it is an honor. I love this wig. This is a human hair wig. It is amazing. I have several different videos on my channel on it. I pulled it back today because I just like to wear it in so many different ways. But again, this is Eileen 14-inch in Brûlée Doré. All-time favorite. Now this one has been around a while. I love going in my wig closet and finding wigs that I haven't worn in a while and grab them and wear them again. This is Ellen Villa Esprit in Champagne Rooted. Y'all remember when this came out? This was such a buzz about this wig. Everybody had to have it, and it still is adorable. And this style's still going strong, right? We're seeing bobs, beachy waves, messy styles, which of course are some of my favorites. This is Gabor Trend Alert in Shaded Iced Cappuccino. Again, another super popular style, very much like just what we looked at. Beachy waves. I like the long sweeping bang on this one. This was really popular. Again, if you see any of these you want to know more about, just put the name of the wig in the search bar. Brand new style, Raquel Welch, straight to camera, shaded, iced, cappuccino. Wow, love this, love it. I think everything about this is pretty. This is the new cap design, the new fibers, the hollow fibers. Oh, y'all, they are so beautiful. I, by far, think this is the best work they've done. Another new style, Henry Margu, Lainey, and this color is 10613 GR. Lainey is so cute. This is, I feel like, one of the best throw on and go everyday wigs. I will definitely be getting this one in some different colors. I just think, like I said, I feel like this is one you're just going to always reach for because it's always going to look good. Okay, this is Renee of Paris. This is NYX in Silver Oyster Rooted. Now, this girl has a lot of permatease and a lot of fiber. If you don't like permatease and you don't like a heavier density wig, this is not your wig. But if you like permatease, and you know I do, this can be a wig for you. But just a word of caution, there is a lot of permatease going on here. But what I do really like is this color. I think this color is so pretty. I love a gray wig, and this has dimension. It has a darker root. Again, something you might not like. This definitely has a darker root, but I just wanted to show you this. I like it, you know, something different. This one is TressAllure Charlotte Realistic and EL 12-22-8. This is a fun style. I personally think the highlighting on this wig is beautiful. I love this color. I think they did a great job with this color. This wig is fun. It has these longer pieces and then a lot of party going on in the back. I really like these TressAllure fibers. They've come out with these heat-friendly fibers. I think they are top-notch. Here is another beachy wave bob. This is Aesthetica Arlo, RH1488 RT8, super popular color. Again, the style we're seeing everywhere, a longer beachy wave bob. Lots of movement here. Has a beautiful lace front. That's Aesthetica Arlo. I love it that the weather is warming up a little and I'm starting to pull out my Ignites. Of course, John Renau Ignite, Toffee Truffle, love everything about it. It's a classic for a reason. It's been around forever. I hope it always will. I love this color, Toffee Truffle. So just, you know, what can you say? It's just a classic, a beautiful style. Most face shapes can wear it. It's a winner. You know, Belle Tress has come out with literally dozens of wigs this year, haven't they? And I think this is one I keep reaching for because it's kind of in that category like we talked about the other one. That, you know, you can just pull it out. It's a good length. It's easy to wear. It's always going to look good. You know, this length with the heat-friendly fibers is much easier to take care of than a longer one. This is Ferrari, and it's Sun-Kissed Almond R. I like the color of this. I like the middle part on this. I like the longer pieces on the front. Again, I just think this could be a workhorse of your wig wardrobe. I keep reaching for it. Okay guys, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this. Some of the wigs I wore in March. Leave me lots of comments. Now, which ones of these have you tried? What colors do you have? I want to hear all about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.